Hey guys, and welcome back. And for today's video I'm going to be doing a Niall Horan merch unboxing. I recently bought 3 items from his online store for Labor Day weekend. He had a 25% off, so I thought I would not buy actual merch the day of my second concert, and I would just buy it online because it should be saving me some for the 25% off. Well, 25% off basically covered what was shipping, so 25% they took off basically just covered shipping, so it was still kind of expensive, but it wasn't like super expensive, but it also wasn't cheap, so it's kind of in the middle. But I spent $93 on his stuff because apparently I just love him that much. I needed to buy 3 things that had his name on it to wear. Also, I bought his the black tour shirt, my first concert. So basically I'm just spending all my money on Niall because that's how much I love him. Like, hashtag maybe you should sponsor this Niall. But yeah, alright, let's get into it. I got this package earlier today and I literally have been waiting to open this. I ordered this a little over a week ago, so like about a week and a half. No, wait, a week and a couple days ago, because we had our concert August 31st, Friday, and I ordered it that day, and now I'm getting this today, September 10th. So Friday would have been a week, today's Monday, so like a week and a couple days. Super excited to open this. The name is all over it, but literally I've been waiting for this day, this moment, to open it. I'm sorry if you can hear anything. I'm sorry if you can hear anything out there. Section's out there watching TV, but I'm ready for this moment. First off, do you guys want to see like what I already bought? I'll just. So I bought this shirt, my first concert, which is just like his tour shirt, and on the back it has like all the cities. Let's see, can we find the cities I was in? Here's one of them, Noblesville, and then Bristol, and I really want to go to Tampa and West Palm Beach, but nobody will go with me, so can't go. I can't go to Florida by myself, and nobody will go with me. But that's a different story. Okay, I'm probably gonna open them up. Like, I already know what I bought, like actually holding them and seeing them in person, it's gonna be super nice. If I can open it. I can see it. Oh my gosh, I have a letter from Niall. Psych. It's just a receipt. I have them. Okay, so did I say I bought 3 things? Where's the other one? There it is. Okay. So the first thing is this. Niall Horan. Woo! And then I don't know if it's supposed to be reversible. Probably not. More Niall. I thought I had to buy this because I bought Harry's version, his Treat People with Kindness version. So I was like, have to support them both. Do you actually wear these? I still have Harry's in this package. Wait, it's upside down. Hold up. Temporary difficulties. Woo! It's so awkward. Niall Horan. Whoa! I love you. Okay. It's kind of itchy. I basically bought this put on my dresser to stare at. Oh no. Oh no, did I really break it? I don't even remember how it was. I got it. Is that how it was? Do you remember? I don't know. I'm just gonna sit on my desk and look at it. That's all I'm gonna do. Never wearing that again. That's what happens. Okay. The next two things are what I'm most excited about. I'll do the first one. Now, like, I've seen this one in person because Sachin has one. Alleluia, alleluia. Flickr World Tour, Niall Horan, with the On the Loose girl. I'm so excited because this is my favorite kind of sweatshirt, the ones without the hood. And it's Niall. I'm literally about to wear this to school tomorrow. I love it so much already. Alright. Moving on to the third and final thing. And the first time I seen Niall wear this, I was like, girl, that's what I'm buying when I go see him. And I did. Wow, this looks huge. Niall Horan on the loose. And I think like somehow there's supposed to be like a headphone place, like you, I don't know, somebody put your headphones in here. I swear it said that. Do y'all know what I'm talking about? Wait. Maybe I'm wrong. I could have swore it said something like that. Maybe not. But now I'm going to try things on because I just got them and I just have to try them all on. So, let's do that. First off, I'll put this shirt on so y'all can see everything. Alright, here it is. Niall Horan. This video is for you. Flickr World Tour 2018. Yeah, and then the back is just all tweets. Which, y'all probably seen this one because it's like, I don't know, his most popular item, I'm assuming. Next, I'm going to try this one on. Oh, it's so soft. I feel like Niall needs to be playing right now, but I'm recording on my phone, so it's not possible. Okay, well, disregard my stuff on my bed. But here it's on. Super cute. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna try the tan on the loose one now. Okay. What the heck? Why is that weird? Like my shoulders don't go up that far. I like it. Except for I'd like it better if I knew where that stinking headphone thing was. I swear it said something about that. No? Alright. This one is a little on the loose. And it's kind of long. Super cute. I like it. Oh. Strings. And then the hood. I'm about to Google it. I swear there's something about a headphone thing. Alright, well I actually just tried looking up to see like if it had the headphone thing, but I cannot even find the sweatshirt on his website. So I don't know if that means it's like sold out or what, or maybe I'm just like blind right now, I can't see it. But maybe I'm just making this up. Maybe there's not no secret headphone port thing. I don't know. If y'all know, comment down below, because I'd really like to know. I swear it said something about that. But I don't know. I don't know. But here it is. I like it so much. Niall Horan. Alright, well, I'm legit about to wear this tomorrow. I'm about to wear this one on Wednesday and wear this one on Thursday. Yeah, wear Niall every day. Every day, all day, yeah, because that's Niall. Niall's my life. Shoulders feel a little funky. It's super weird. I've never had a sweatshirt this color before. But like I like it because it's Niall's. Does that make sense? You know? Just because it's Niall's. Alright. Well. This is everything I got. How do I do this? I need a thumbnail. Alright. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like Niall, you should check out me and Sachin's vlog. We just recently went to Bristow, Virginia for his concert. It was super fun. I feel like we were like super close. So you should go check that out. Also, you guys should check out me and Sachin's dorm tour. If you didn't know, that's where I'm at right now. This is my bedroom. So you can go check out my bedroom's tour. You can go check out Sachin's bedroom tour, and you can also check out our tour of like the entire place, since we have more like of an apartment style. Thank you guys. We were at 51 subscribers. I feel like we've been waiting for this day forever to get 50. Our little secret name change will be happening soon. Me and Sachin have to talk about that. And I just thank you guys all so much. Our next goal is gonna be 100, so tell your friends to subscribe. So everybody you know to subscribe. And yes, turn your guys' notification bell. Let me know if I when we post, because obviously we post randomly. We're trying to get better on a schedule, but I feel like we've been saying that ever since we started this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like Niall. You should comment down your favorite Niall song. Mine would probably see, this is so hard. Like my favorite before seeing it live, and then my favorite seeing it live. That's just hard. Okay, so my favorite song off the album live is probably, it's so hard. Okay, so my favorite song off the album, not live, is Flicker. My favorite song on the album that's live is a tie between Mirrors and Slow Hands. Yeah. And then I just love Finally Free live and on soundtrack. Oh my gosh, I just like everything basically. I'm not very good at picking my favorites. And then I really like Fool's Gold, but that's not Niall's song, but I really like it and he sings it live. So obviously I can't make up my decision on what my favorite song is, so hopefully you guys can, and just comment down below, or comment them all down below if they're all your favorite, because they're all my favorite. Yeah, and I hope you guys have a great week and are doing great in school, because I know school is like annoying. What's going on right now, but yeah, hope you guys have a great week. Hope school's going well, or work, or whatever you're doing in life. And I'll see you guys next time. And remember, don't be afraid to be yourself. Bye. Peace, Niall. Love you. Hashtag sponsor my video. Alright. Peace. Oh, wait. If you watch this now, which I doubt you will, me and Sachin, no, I held up the sign. I made it for you. But I don't think you saw it, so maybe you need to see it again. This is this. Yeah, basically that's it. Don't judge India. I had 5 pieces of paper. I messed up on all of them. I had this one and one other one that looked decent, but this one looked the best.